Hi guys, Greg here. Well, I've got the Red Rooster shirt on because today I'm going to make a replica of the $5 sub that I had not too long ago. It was really tasty, and I know I got a lot of overseas viewers that wish they could try it, so I'm going to make a copycat of it so you can make one yourself so you know what it tastes like. Anyway, I've got the ingredients over here. Let me show you what I'm using. So just 5 ingredients here. I've got some bread rolls, some dill, mayonnaise. Now this isn't my first choice of mayonnaise. I'd be using Kewpie if I had some, but I don't have any. Some shredded iceberg lettuce, and I've got some roast chicken here. This is actually Red Rooster roast chicken too, so it's going to be really authentic. Alright, well for starters, let's make the dill and mayo mix. So I'm only going to make one, so that'd be, I'll use quite a lot. And then I'll add some dill into this. The old dill weed. Not too sure if you can smoke this stuff, but hey! We'll just mix that together. I'll grab a bun here, cut that in half. Now they had a bit of a different bun, so if you can find that, that'd be perfect. But this one will do just fine. Now the roll that I had only had this sauce on one side, but when I checked online, the photo showed it on both sides. So we'll put it on both sides. The more sauce, the better, I reckon. And because the more sauce, the better, I should use more sauce, shouldn't I? Yes. Okay, so the lettuce that they used was iceberg. This is the bottom bun. So put the iceberg on. And now they just had chunks of chicken on there, and there was skin involved as well. So we'll do the same. Add some nice big chunks of chook. And we'll just put the lid on top. And there you have it. My replica Red Rooster Sub sandwich. It looks nice and healthy and fresh, doesn't it? Oh, come at me, bro. Oh. Oh. Yum diddly-o, yum diddly scrumptious. What more do you want? Some good old Red Rooster on a roll. The slight hint of dill in the mayo. Make sure it's a good mayo you use too. A nice whole egg mayo. None of this sweet and vinegary stuff. But it tastes awesome, so make sure you give it a go. And if you do, let me know how yours turned out. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I cook something. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the